Hi everyone, Nina here. Thanks for joining me today. So I can share with you how I created this cute tag album from the recent collection Fernwood by Vicky Boutin. So this collection has tags. I did get the tags, 2 sets of tags, and I did get the pins, the paper clips, and I did get the tassels. So you can find them all linked down below if you wanna check any of them. So now I did choose the tags that I wanna use. They are of different size, different colors and shapes. And I did choose which pictures I want to place on my tags. Just to save time, I did choose the pictures, cut them to size, and I did print them and cut them to size. Then I'm using my tape runner now to place each picture on my tags. So I'm gonna go a little slow here, but then I'm gonna go faster and move forward. So here I found that it can take 2 pictures. So I did find a picture for each of my kids to put them in front of each other. Right now, I'm just going to attach all my pictures to the tags. And then later we are going to decorate each tag. They're gonna look amazing at the end. So here I was so amazed at how pretty the pictures I found that I took of nature. These are all taken by my phone. Look how amazing and cute these images are. So I'm going to put it on each of the picture frame on this tag. I'm just taking my time and making sure I put tape runner on all the edges. Look how beautiful the butterfly is. And then it took some time for me to find the nice picture that I want and to crop it to size. Look how cute the tag is. So then I'm going to do the same thing on all of them. This was an open frame. It has an opening in the middle. So I put my picture from the back and I did stick it. And for this one, I found that the black frame is not showing and not contrasting with the edges of the photo. So I decided to add a colorful background first so it can show from the edges, and when we add it to our tag it's gonna have some contrast. So you'll see the difference now. Once I put the tag on the picture on the tag, you will see how much of a difference this little background made. Look how beautiful. So moving forward, now I have all my pictures added to the tags. I got these 12 by 12 papers. They're so cute. It's from the same collection. And it has all these tags and it has these thin strips of sentiments. So I wanted to use these tags. I'm gonna show you. I'm also gonna use another 12 by 12 paper that has some cards. So for now, we're going to use these tags. I chose some tags that match together in color. I am then going to cut the sides of the tag, these 2 edges, and I'm then going to use my crocodile. I'm going to punch it in the middle, and then I'm going to add my eyelets. I'm using these storage boxes that I got from Amazon to store my eyelets. It's way easier to put the blues together and the reds together, each shade together. Then I'm gonna choose my shades and I'm gonna attach them with the crocodile. I'm going to create a pocket for these tags to place them in. So I did cut this feathers paper that's from my stash, and then I'm going to use this postcard that was part of the Fernwood collection. I did ink the edges with, I think, seedless preserve. I did ink both the edges so they can match together and gives fun dimension to my papers. I added tape only on 3 sides, so it does create a pocket. And I cut these 2 cards from the collection, and I'm going to embellish it a little bit with some of my washi tape stickers. I'm sorry, I think the phone handle is showing on the top left corner. I'm gonna notice in a while and I'm gonna correct my view. So this is the washi tape sticker, also from my stash. It's not from the collection, and I thought just I'll add something fun and more interest on the pocket. So here I'm going to add it. And then later we are going to have so much fun stamping and decorating our card, our tags. I'm using my glass mat to find the center of this tag. Then I'm going to punch it, and I'm going to add an eyelet as well. So I created my own tag that has a pocket, and then I did add these cards. That was part of the 12 by 12 that has cards. Look how cute. Very cute. Moving forward, I am going to create a little booklet where I'm going to attach many cards. So you simply create it like this. Just choose the size you want. That is the size of your card. And then create this up and down pattern on your scoreboard. Then using this die, I created the top handle for the tag. It is part of it's one of the dies of the Planner Essentials. I'll also leave it linked down below. Then I'm going to come in the accordion sort of parts of my tag, and I'm going to add this tape. It's a strong tape that is gonna keep it in place. I did add also tape on the inside of the hanger so they can all attach together. I use this die a lot, this hanger die a lot. It helps me create a tag it helps me create a hanger for the tags that I cannot have place to punch and place an eyelet, just like this booklet. I cannot punch a hole on top, so I create this hanger so I can add it to my album, to the ring. Then I'm going to put some glue on the other side of the tag of the hanger, and then I'm going to close the booklet. Look how cute it's gonna look. So these are the cards that I did find in the 12 by 12 paper that has the cards, and I'm going to choose which ones I want. I might not choose all of them, and I'm choosing a contrasting color for my cover. So pink on pink was not so much contrasting. I chose this blue one, sort of bluish green one, teal color. So off camera, I did attach tape on all my cards to save some time. I'm just gonna show you some of them because I wanna show you something important here to notice when you're doing this. When you're placing your cards, make sure of the orientation. I will show you what I mean. So this one is simple orientation, but these are gonna be back to back. So one of them is gonna face you and the other one should be upside down. I will show you what I mean. So you're going to place it to the flap that we created, the accordion flap that we created. So just to remove the top of the tape, and then on the other side, I did add tape only on one of the cards because they're gonna be back to back, so you don't put too much tape that you don't need. Don't waste it. So 3 of them are on this side and the last on the other side. And these 2 cards are sandwiching the flap in between. So this is how they're gonna create a page in the booklet. So the other side, this one is gonna be upside down. We're gonna do the same thing for all of them. We will create this cute booklet with the hanger on top. And this is gonna be the cover. It's the teal color that's gonna contrast with our pink cover. I did cut my booklet to be a little bit bigger than the cards. Look how cute it is. So fun. Then here are all the tags, and I'm gonna start decorating now. Beautiful colors, beautiful collection, so sweet. I'm gonna quickly add them to my ring. I don't want it to go long ones at the back and the short ones in front. I'm mix and matching. So some of them are short, some of them are tall, and I'm just mixing them together. And so these are the tassels, also from the Fernwood collection. I'm choosing which one. I'm gonna go with the pink, but I'm just choosing which one I want here. I thought it's not really matching, although I love the word love here. But it's okay. I'm gonna just choose the, I'm gonna add the pink one better. I wanted love other than hello, but I'll go with the pink. So here is my tag. Here I'm getting all the items that I can decorate my tags with. I'm going to add the word joy here. So it's gonna be joy on the horizon. These are tiny letter stickers from Heidi Swap Shop. I'm gonna link it if you wanna check it. And they're very tiny that you have to use a tool or tweezers to place them. In her videos, she uses an X-Acto knife to place them. So I found my poking tool working here so well. Then I'm gonna get these puffy stickers and place the word happy on this tag. Very cute. The colors are matching so much with the collection. Then I placed lucky on my tag. And here I did spell the word fall 2021. And then I'm going to bring my lovely enamel dots, and I'm going to add some of them that match with the collection and apply them here and there on the tags. Very cute. So cute. On this one, I found the stamp that says grateful, stay grateful. So I'm just gonna stamp the word grateful. I used the new pink color from Tim Holtz. Not new anymore. So many of them came out after. So it's called Tattered Rose. On some of them, I just placed these clips from the collection. And here on the tag that's shaped like a house and has my kids inside, I'm gonna add this strip also from the collection that says stay curious. I'm gonna add the word stay outside, and then I'm gonna put curious inside. You will see it when I do the flip through by the end. And here on this card, I added good things are coming and added couple enamel dots on the other one. It already has a nice sentiment, such wonderful things surround you. And then I did a stamp stressless. Today we stressless on the outside of the pocket. And then I'm going to add my cards inside. Very cute. With all the enamel dots that are matching the colors of the font of the stickers. And on this one, I added family. And then let's flip through. Check all the tags. Look how beautiful. The tassel, this cute magnifier, and this see-through tag. And then here we added the word joy. Here we added happy, lucky, all very empowering and very relaxing. Fall 2021, grateful, some clips. This is the one, stay curious. I also cut the word curious in two halves and one on each side. And these are the pictures that we took for nature. And this is the little booklet with all the cards inside. I did stamp breathe here, a lot of stamps, a lot of enamel dots, and then the card holder. It's the pocket with both the cards where we added our little sentiments and enamel dots. So cute. I love this collection so much. Everything is matching together. Here also I added, this is just a chapter. It's not the end of the story. And here we added family. I had so much fun creating this tag album with you guys today. I hope you do too. I will leave you now with the images. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps my channel a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!